Got a video today about the stuff that I carry in my pockets every day, or EDC as they call it. I'm just a maintenance guy, so I don't carry a lot of really high-end fancy stuff with me. But what I do carry, I will share it. This is stuff that I carry with me every day. Some of it I've been carrying for years. Other stuff I just picked up recently. I watch a YouTube channel. I watch a lot of YouTube channels, but this guy, what's his name? Taylor Martin, with the best damn EDC show. He's really good. And I've been watching a lot of his videos and been learning a lot of stuff, and stuff I didn't know I needed. All of a sudden I know I need now. And so let's get to it. Well, first thing I want to share here is my earphones. These are JLabs. They're like $14 on eBay. They're not really expensive, but they have a really good microphone. I love the sound that comes out of this microphone. I'm recording. These are Bluetooth, and I'm recording my audio out of these earphones right into the phone. And I think they sound really good. I have a Procaster at the house, a really nice machine to do podcasting, all that stuff, and I have some really nice microphones. But somehow I'm liking the sound that I'm recording out of this microphone better than what I can get over there. I mean, I know that's a better piece of equipment, but for what I'm doing right now, this is working fine. Anyways, let's get to it. Alright, we're going to start with my sunglasses. I found this pair of Ray-Bans at a pawn shop for $5. They were all dirty and messed up. I cleaned it up, disinfected them, and the lenses were in good shape. And I've had them for a while. I didn't like the leopard print when I first got them, but I just got them for work. And it turns out now I use them all the time. I've had them for over 2 years. I have some Wayfarers at my house. Some Aviator Ray-Bans that I did buy new. I don't even use those anymore. I got so used to these. And when they break, I'll probably end up buying another set just like it. I grew into them. And even though it's got that leopard print, I'm okay. I think I like them a lot. And they're actually really good glasses because I use them as safety glasses all the time with the grinder and all this. And the lenses are real good. And of course, I keep them. I keep track of where they're at all the time. I used to buy some cheap glasses and I would lose them in no time because, you know, you buy $10 sunglasses, and even though they would have $10 is more than $5, but I know the value of them, and I would lose them or break them or leave them in people's apartments all the time. These glasses, I always keep track of them. Like I said, I had them for probably over 2 years, and I love them. I use them on the weekends too, and they've taken a beating, and they're still in good shape. Next thing's the pen. This pen, I don't even know where I found it, but I found it. I used to carry Parker pens all the time, and it turns out that the Parker pen refills fit this pen, which worked out perfect for me because it's all metal pen, so I can keep it in my pocket all day. It doesn't, plastic pens break in my pockets, and I put these gel refills in these pens, and I love it because they write real good. This weekend I was doing some tile work, and it's really hard to mark tile with a pencil or a pen, but this gel pen actually marked it real good. So I use it as a work pen. I fill up my work orders with it. I use a pen all day, every day, and it's something that I really, really use a lot. Next thing is my R2-D2 knife. This is one of the things that I didn't know I needed. I used to carry just a little pocket knife without a clip, and you put it in your pocket this way, and then it's this way, and it's really uncomfortable. This thing, you just clip it on your pocket. It's real good. I'm left-handed, so this clip I can put, top or bottom on either side. It works out perfect. D2 steel, which is really hard to sharpen, but once it's sharp, it doesn't go dull really fast. So this is a good knife. They're really not very expensive, like $15 on Amazon or eBay. So this is a great knife. I've been carrying this knife for about a year, and I love it. It's got a lot of wear on it now, but the blade's in really good shape because this steel will hold up real good. Like I said, I've only sharpened it once, and it's still real sharp. It was sharp when I got it. Then I used it and went a little dull. Sharpened it one more time. It's real good. Okay, my phone's going on. Next thing's my key stacks. That's what this thing's called. It's a key stacks. I used to, I used to have two sets of keys. One, I had my car keys, my house key, and the key to the office for the apartments. And then inside the office, I would have another set of keys for, all the doors that we have to open around here and the pulls and locks and stuff like that. Well, since I got this, I can carry all my keys that I need just like this. And, I clip this to my belt, put this in my back pocket. I've only got a few keys dangling and all the rest of my keys are in there. I've got quite a bit of keys. These things are like, I don't know, $10 on Amazon or eBay. So they're really cheap and they're really, really useful. I love it. That's another thing that I carry with me every day. Now, this next item is something I didn't know I needed till I watched these videos. This is a front carry or side pocket carry wallet, House of Jack. It's a really nice wallet. I paid $30 for it on Amazon. It carries what I need, a couple credit cards, my bank card, my driver's license. I took it out, of course, for the video. A couple of stuff like that I carry every day. I don't fill it up a lot because there's not a lot of room. Money, well, we don't carry money that much anymore, but if I have to carry money, I can just put it in one of the side pockets. It's a really nice wallet. I've only had it for a couple of weeks, so I don't know about the quality yet, but so far so good. I love it. I only carry the essentials with me. Next thing's my work watch. I got a video here on this channel about watches. I'm a watch collector myself. This is my work watch. It's a quartz watch, Citizen Echo Drive on a leather band. Of course, it's got paint over it, caulking and all kinds of stuff. I changed the band a lot on it because bands go out. The watch has been real good. It keeps real good time. I got a chronograph in case I need to time anything. And these watches are not very expensive, but they're really good watches. Like I said, I got a video here on this channel about watches because I am a watch collector. I was a watch collector before I started watching these videos. So that's another thing. Then of course my phone. My regular phone that I carry is my Samsung Galaxy 10. Sorry, 7. It's a really old one. This is what everybody's got this number. I love this phone. I had it for a long time. The phone I'm recording on right now is a Galaxy 10, and it takes great video, great pictures. I'm not gonna debate what's better, Galaxy or Apple watches. Phones, because in my case, I love photography and videos, and I can fill up memory cards in these phones and just save the memory cards, and I have a lot of footage of videos that I've shot and stuff like that, and I don't have to worry about losing my phone and then everything's gone. I know Apple has you can store it in the cloud or whatever, but it gets really expensive. I got one more thing. Actually, I carry bracelets all the time with me. I wear bracelets. I'm trying to take this thing off. I should have taken enough before the video. Okay. And this is just a cheap bracelet. I had a watch repair shop in Nogales a long time ago, and I had a 90-something-year-old customer walk in the shop one time, and he's looking for a watch, and I sold him a watch, and at that time he thought that was a really fine watch, and to me it was interesting that he was wearing a lot of rings and stuff like that, a lot of jewelry on him. And he told me something that I'll never forget. He said, you're looking at I think he was 93 at that time. You're looking at a 93-year-old man, he said. But that's not what I see. He said, I see a body. I see a human being. So he says, I'm always going to buy watches for myself, jewelry and stuff like that. So that got me pretty intrigued on how we see ourselves. Sometimes we start getting older and we don't care about any jewelry or anything like that. And I just learned a lot from him. And it's something I'll always remember. So wearing jewelry for me, even though I'm just a maintenance guy, it's okay. I love it. Anyways, that's my video today. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next video.